You can see in number 5, we don't have any sines. We have cotangents. So our first thing to do is change these in terms of sine and cosine. So I'm going to rewrite this as the limit as x approaches 0 of cosine of 4x divided by sine of 4x, all divided by cosine of 3x divided by sine of 3x. And although it makes it look a lot messier, it's going to help us in the long run. Instead of having a fraction divided by a fraction, let's go ahead and rewrite this, and we're going to multiply by the reciprocal of this denominator. So we have limit as x approaches 0 of cosine of 4x over sine of 4x times the reciprocal of the denominator, so we have sine of 3x over cosine of 3x. And we still have to kind of split things up. So we want to get everything separated. Limit as x approaches 0 of cosine of 4x times 1 over sine of 4x times sine of 3x times 1 over cosine of 3x. So from here, we only have to worry about these sines. Cosines, we don't have to do anything with those, because if we look at this part, limit as x approaches 0, if we put 0 in here, we get cosine of 0. And as we saw on the first page of the notes, cosine of 0 is just 1. Right? 0 would be here on the unit circle. Cosine is the x value, that's 1. So we don't have to worry about doing anything to the cosines. Same with this one. Just going to be 1 over 1. So those are good. The sine ones are the ones we have to focus on. This one needs a 4x on top. So we're going to multiply the top by 4x, which means we have to multiply the bottom by 4x, and I'll do that out at the end. This one needs a 3x on the bottom, so we're going to multiply bottom by 3x, top by 3x. And those x's cancel out. So now we have 5 things that are being multiplied inside this limit. We can evaluate the limit of each part and then multiply that out. Sorry, I don't need that anymore. We're going to evaluate limit as x approaches 0 of cosine of 4x, we already said was 1. Limit of this is 1. Limit of this one is 1. Limit of this one is also 1. And then our last one here is 3/4. So the overall limit, we'll multiply all those together, is 3/4. Notice, you may have seen a pattern on the earlier problems. 4 over 7, we got 4/7. 6 over 5, we got 6/5. 8 over 3, got 8/3. But when we throw in cotangents, this may change things up a bit. So don't automatically assume that's going to be your answer.